Hello everybody, this is bullying Chainsaw Man, but we commit child abuse. There's probably going to be a killing montage of me either dying or killing other people. Like, take this, if I just kill like 100 of these, that'd be a montage. I hope you know, why did I even explain that? Everyone should know what a montage is. Yeah, so this is Chainsaw Man Devil's Heart. Very good game, very cool. I like playing it. I'm level 50, halfway to max level. This basically, yeah, we're just gonna be bullying children. Like, as we just heard some punches that were too fast to be from a fiend. Guess who they were by? A child. Up. Yeah, me and that guy had a truce earlier, so the montage shall start now. That's what.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
How the fuck? Why am I so shit? Up.
We cannot be judged for what we dream for. Venom seeping in throughout the lies and all the sweet talk. Living in a world I can't handle all the G-force. Lost amongst the ways and it's been ages since I've seen shore. There's no turning back once a decision has been made. Every price will have a price, it's just equivalent exchange. I've been grateful
What
for the
the
chance to live
actual
on minimum
fuck
a day. And I've been working
do
like
I
a
keep
pig like this is spirited
repeating
away. I've been
hybrids?
digging my grave, now the devil is a part of me. Ripping throughout my arteries, every piece like it's therapy. I know how the ghost of a body can make it hard to breathe. The engine noise and orchestra of eternal harmonies. I rip the chord, I finna fit the one. This love is simple, but we're swinging songs that don't begin one until I hit the floor. Till I hit the floor, standing at the brink of war. Never stop the question, what the fuck we're even living for.
Even in death, we cannot lose ourselves with every.
But no, because I can't be bothered to edit even more. I am not good at editing, and this took way too goddamn long for me. So yeah, but I still like it. Sure, because it's funny seeing it.
Care about this life, but I find that I dare to dream. And I'm lost in my mind as I look at the time, cause I'm scared that it's out of reach. And I'm lost in the night, see a dream go to die, cause I know that it's not
You're
for
watching
me.
the Karma YouTube channel. Do you expect me to be good at anything other than build a boat?
Dichotomy, they come for me like visions, keeping doubts in what I wanna be. I'm breaking out my prison cause I literally got that dog in me. Split him into divisions, they sorted like there's a survey. Stick him on a mission, cause shorter than using curse face. This is what I'm giving, the order's another word day. I've been living wishing to score him and get to first base. Don't know how to cry when bodies dropping, I've been feeling empty. Lost the will to die, the gates of hell are always free for entry. Never wondered why I see their faces and I'm cream with envy. Nothing on my mind, I'm ripping through them like a feeding frenzy. Now I'm on the main course, cutting up in half like I'll be tearing through an A4. Marking where and leaving stained floors when I wage war. This is what you came for, tearing through the bodies like a motherfucking chainsaw.
And I'm lost in the night, looking deep in the eyes, see the man that I used to be. But I'm not satisfied, I don't care about this life, but I find that I dare to dream. And I'm losing my mind as I look at the time, cause I'm scared that it's out of reach. And I'm lost in the night, see a dream go to die, cause I know that it's not for me.
Rev it up, bring my way for the flesh and blood. Rev it up, spin the chain, I can get enough. Rev it up,
Yeah, like
I've been
I told
playing
you.
with the devil's love.
I
Rev it up,
just
let our
showed
dreams
them
all
the
envelop
time.
us. Rev it up, put the cord and you're getting cut. Rev it up, I'm not dying till I get a touch. Rev it up, you ain't never gonna measure up. Rev it up, hear the sound when I rev it up.
Even in death,
Even in death,
we cannot lose ourselves with every breath.
with every breath.
I'll see you all in hell.
Like, final kill of the day. So was that like 5-2? Me killing 2 people and I died 5 times. Level 50 means nothing in this game, to be honest. Level 100 does. Level 50 means dog shit though. Level 100 you can get everything in here and that full hybrid, I'm pretty sure. Yep, that's the game run through. Don't know how long this recording was. I recorded for 21 minutes, so I'll try and make it like 10 or 16. So yep, see you guys later. Fuck you. This was hell editing. I hope you guys know. I tried to make it 10 minutes and it ended out to be like 5 minutes and 30 seconds or something. So yeah. I know it wasn't good editing, but I tried. Okay.